Are you prepared to transform children's bedtime tales into a lucrative venture? Let's discuss the remarkable revenue being generated by children's bedtime animation videos. It's evident that channels in this niche are amassing millions of views and substantial earnings with each video. It's the current trend, and you too can participate and start reaping the benefits. Imagine crafting enthralling 3D animations with zero prior experience. In this video, I'll guide you on how to produce stunning animated children's story videos in just 10 minutes using a unique AI tool that remains largely unknown. I'll also present the end product so you can visualize exactly what you'll achieve. 3D animated story videos are all the rage at the moment, and everyone is buzzing about it. I'll introduce you to a novel, straightforward method to create these videos using a single AI tool. This tool is unlike any other AI video generator you've encountered. This extraordinary AI tool handles everything for you. No more need to juggle multiple tools or spend a fortune on subscriptions. It generates the story script, creates the images, adds the voiceover, background music, and even merges everything into a final video. But that's not all. With this single AI tool, you can create videos for a wide range of stories: children's tales, action movies, historical dramas, romance, superhero adventures, horror stories, sci-fi, and even real-life stories. It's compatible with YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram in any ratio. Stick with me and I'll guide you step by step through creating your video with this AI tool. The revolutionary AI tool is called Artflow AI, and I know you're excited to try it out. Click the link below the video to get started with Artflow AI. Here's how to begin. Click the link and navigate to Artflow AI. Open the menu and click the Sign Up button to register. After registering and verifying your email, you'll land on the main page. Click Continue to Artflow. Artflow AI supports 80 languages, so you won't encounter any difficulties using it. With this tool, you can create consistent characters, scenes, places, and even animate your characters. Plus, when you sign up using the link, you'll receive 100 free credits to generate content. If you want more credits, you can subscribe to a paid plan in the menu. You'll discover the Actor Builder for creating story characters, Image Studio for generating images for your story, Video Studio for producing videos, and Story Studio for crafting story scripts. Let's begin by crafting our script. Click on Story Studio and you'll encounter some sample stories. To create a new story, click on New Story. You'll be directed to a page where you can either pen the script yourself and select I have a story, or you can opt for Help me to get a story and let Artflow AI craft one for you. Let's proceed with the AI option. On the subsequent page, under Who is your story for, type your target audience. For this video, I'll type any. Click the arrow to progress to the next page. Now, select the purpose of the story. I'll choose Teach Children about the value of persistence. If your purpose isn't listed, you can type it in. Click the arrow to continue. Next, choose a genre. Artflow AI supports numerous genres like history, horror, sci-fi, romance, and more. For our video, let's select Children's Story. Next, we need to input our story idea. This is a crucial part where you provide a bit of an idea and it will develop a story around it. So let our story be about a boy and a panda. If you have a story idea, you can type it in as I did, and Artflow AI will develop it. If you do not have one, you can leave it blank and it will generate a story for you with random ideas. Next, we click on Generate Story Outline. Voila! Our amazing children's story script is ready. It features two characters, Ethan, a curious and caring young boy who loves animals, and Panda. But I will change the name to Max. You can change yours if you like. If you're not satisfied with this script, you can click Try Again to get a new story. Next, choose the video format. You can pick a 9:6 vertical format for TikTok, Instagram, and other social media, or a 16:9 horizontal format for YouTube. Since our video is for YouTube, we'll select the 16:9 horizontal format. Now select the visual style of the video. Options include cartoons, 3D animation, storybook style, digital art, and more. For this video, we want a 3D animation, so let's select that and hit Continue to Character Creator. It will take a little while to generate our characters, so I'll fast forward a bit. And just like that, our two characters are created. You can see Max, our main character, the panda, in high quality images. If you're not happy with the characters, you can click Edit Character to adjust them or add a face. But for our video, these are perfect. Click Continue to Storyboarding. This will take a little while to generate all the images for our different scenes. I'll fast forward the process. And just like that, all our images are ready. You can see all the cool images for different scenes. If you're not happy with any image, you can change it. The images are awesome and the scenes fit the plot perfectly. When you're satisfied, click the export button at the top right to export and render your video. This will take between 5 to 10 minutes. I'll fast forward this part. Now our video is ready for download. Select download and choose to include subtitles if you want. Our video is downloaded and ready. Let's watch it together.
Curiosity piqued, a young lad awakens to an unexpected visitor on his threshold. Efforts to teach persistence falter as the adorable creature's attention wanders. Frustration blooming within, he seeks guidance from a revered elder on engaging the wandering mind. With wisdom passed down, the game of concealment begins to sow the seeds of perseverance. Amidst laughter and revelry, realization dawns on both the valiance of enduring the search. In a surprising turn, student becomes teacher as newfound revelations intertwine in a dance of shared growth. Through the immersive woodland journey, a bond forged in perseverance blossoms into a precious camaraderie. Amidst the hush of the night, the echoes of shared mirth weave a tapestry of enduring friendship. With hearts filled with lessons learned, the duo ventures forth into the dawn, united by the gifts of persistence and friendship.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and turn on the notification icon to stay notified. But do you know that there is a new AI video maker with highly realistic features like Sora? You won't believe how this tool will kill Sora. Watch the video right here to see the quality features.